It's the season of love. No, it's the season of sicknesses and sore throat and cold and cough. Are you someone who's experiencing it? Then tap with me. Even though I'm feeling very sick right now, I feel so unfit. My immunity levels have gone for a toss because of the cold, the sore throat, this illness. And that's making me very, very irritable. And people around me expect me to talk, communicate. I just can't communicate because I feel so sick and stuck. What if I allow my body to relax and let go of the irritation? I allow my body to heal. It feels safe to heal. Take a nice slow deep breath.